Powerful, real powerful voice, bro.
I appreciate it.
Not at all, bro. I appreciate you bringing me the good music.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There's no way we ever could. Now we see everything is going wrong. When the world is so bleeding, we don't feel like we don't have to lead. Surprise above the meeting, we keep on waiting. Waiting on the world to change. We keep on waiting. Waiting on the world to change. It's not that we don't care. We just know that the fight ain't fair. Waiting on the world to change. Now you asked me to play down there, but you didn't even sing the back vocals. You left me all by myself. It's okay. If we had the power to bring our neighbors home from war, they would never miss the Christmas, no more ribbons on their door. When you trust your television, what you get is what you got. Cause when you own the information, all they get is all they want. That's why we're waiting on the world to change. We keep on waiting. Waiting on the world to change. It's not that we don't care. We just know that the fight ain't fair. That's why we're waiting on the world to change. Waiting on the world to change. We're waiting on the world to change. Me and all my friends, we're all misunderstood. You say we stand for nothing, and there's no way we ever could. Now we see everything is going wrong with the world and those who lead it. We don't feel like we don't have the need to rise above and beat it. We're still waiting, waiting on the world to change. Keep on waiting. Waiting on the world to change. It's hard to be persistent when we're standing at a distance. Thanks. Keep on waiting. Waiting on the world to change. If we had the power Waiting on the world to change.
He said that. I guess it was him who said that.
Waiting on the world to change. Waiting on the world to change. Thank you. Waiting on the world to change. But now. Keep on waiting, waiting, waiting for the world to change. One day our generation is gonna rule the population. Keep on waiting, waiting on the world to change. We're still waiting, waiting on the world to change. 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 Thank you guys.
But wouldn't you say the world is changing though?
The world is changing. That's why I'm here.
Because
sir.
Nipsey Hussle was killed in California, and Farrakhan spoke at his funeral, and he pointed out that certain signs of the world's great change at this time. And today, the Notre Dame Cathedral burnt. It burnt down. 800-year-old church burnt down. And people are not looking at that. The day Billy Graham died was one of the hottest days here in the Northeast. And it was cold. It was supposed to be cold. And people don't look at things like that. They're like, so that's a very poignant song that you just sung, my brother.
Waiting on the world
Yes,
to change.
you're waiting on the world to change. And no, the world is not changing. See, we need to change.
That's right. For the
We
world.
shouldn't have changed in the first place,
the
but
change
we
you wanna
need to
see.
change. We need to
Be the
change.
change you want to see.
Yes. I do a YouTube page, bro. I'm gonna post that
Thank
song
you.
you just did,
I
okay?
appreciate it. That was John
Yeah.
Mayer, Waiting on the World to Change.
The name?
John Mayer, Waiting on
John
the World
Mayer,
to
yeah.
Change. That's not me. Me, I'm
No,
Joseph.
I know. Because the brother called, and he came and paid homage to you. You didn't even know. That's who called out downstairs and said, I bet you don't know that song.
Who said
Those two workers that came upstairs.
saw
Yeah,
that?
there. That's who came upstairs. So you just got to maintain yourself, man, and don't let the world change you.
Powerful word. This one's for the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Quand elle me prend dans ses bras et me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Elle me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose.
So you want to check this brother out. They're upstairs checking in and setting up right as we speak. And I might go up and record a few more things, but you got to check this brother out. We kicking about the Notre being burnt down today and all of that. If you get to this point, you should have seen it unless you skip. So check it out, man. And check my channel out. Subscribe. GaddahRa Kog, and turn your notification on, because there is so much to present and so much that I haven't edited yet. And I don't know if you guys want me to edit it and take some of the bumps and bruises out of it or what, but let me know. This is about the young generation, the generation coming, the generation that's going to maintain, because if churches keep burning down like that and disrespect, and brother Nipsey Hussle and Farrakhan has to talk about that. You know, this is spiritual. This is not religion. I can't say the forces that be, but it's funny when one religious leader or spiritual leader speaks out, and then such a powerful sign. Yeah, Notre Dame is certainly a powerful sign. It's funny though, because Holy Blood, Holy Grail. I read that book, for instance, and some things are said about the French connection, the French aspect of Christianity that I encountered for the first time. That changed my view about people and what they present as proper literature. It was written in the newspaper today that Pope Benedict came out of retirement to present something that he took the time to write. When he did depart that post, he said he was going into retirement to dedicate his life to prayer and such, but he came out, and lo and behold, we get something like the cathedral at Notre Dame being destroyed when he spoke. So a representative of God is never too far away, no matter how you play with them. You feel? I don't say who is and who is not, but when you put yourself in that position and you speak, things happen. You know, through the wickedness of man, we are despair has to the fact that God abided in us. God made us in his image for a reason. We never looked upon God's face. Well, if you don't have a mirror today, and when we did get mirrors, we started being so damn evil. We forgot what was said and what is truly meant. You know, I don't want to preach. This is not the MTA. The MTA does not sanction anything that I say. So, out of respect, I'll cease and desist any further speculation, speech, or such. Good morning, Mr. Darwin.